Hi wiring winners, Jay from Simtech here. Today finds us in our little development room where we create some of our wiring harness, one-off wiring harnesses and prototypes. Bit scruffy in here, but it's nice and quiet and out of the way and you're not interrupted. So this is the case study into this kit we've been looking at. The customer, as I've said, has done a lovely job. He's been very kind to let us talk about the wiring on it, and here is the original dash harness out of the Mazda. He's tried to pull it apart and remove the unwanted wiring, but it does get very complicated, quite messy, and you end up with lots of this sort of thing with wires chopped off, lots of stuff not used, and lots of stuff getting very messy and complicated. Customers asked us to keep all the original switches but interface it with our loom and our body module, and we're going to be stripping this down, going to try and remove as much of the wiring, neaten it, simplify it, and try and make it into a really nice thing suitable to go on the car. So I've already created a drawing. So this is what we do. We draw it up, you know, give ourselves some connector numbers here so we know what everything is. I've measured it off the vehicle so it'll be neat and tidy and fit nicely. And then on top of that, I've created a spreadsheet that tells us what all the pins are, what the colours are, where they're all going. So we have a connector number, the pin number, the wire colours, and where it's going to. So when I've cut the wires all off, I've lengthened them, shortened them, whatever, I know where they are to go. And then when the customer has the vehicle, he'll get a little package with the car, and in that will be all the wiring diagrams and all the drawings. So if he ever has a problem in the future, he'll be able to trace it back using the layout drawing, looking at the connectors when we've removed the wires and fitted the right wires, and he can relate that to the drawing and find out if there's any faults. Not that there will be, and we've never really had to use these with customers, only when they're changing things or upgrading. So bear with me, I'll rework this loom and we'll get back to you very soon and show you the results and what has happened to this pile of spaghetti. We'll speak to you very soon. Bye now.